So next we move on to the conversions between objects and basic types. Okay, so objects and basic types means suppose you want to convert an object of class distance to some basic type. Suppose f is a float variable. Okay, so this is a conversion between objects and basic types. And similarly, if you want to convert a float value f to a uh, to an object of type distance, this is also a conversion between objects and basic types. This is the conversion from object to basic type, and this is the conversion from basic type to object. And for these types of conversions, we cannot rely on built-in conversion routines. For basic to basic, we relied on built-in routines. Okay, the compiler had the knowledge about handling those conversions. But for these conversions, where we have a user-defined data type, the compiler does not know how to deal with, how to handle this conversion. Also, the compiler does not know how to handle the conversion between objects. Okay, suppose you want to convert distance 3 to another user defined object, suppose meter to feet mtf. This is also a conversion which includes the user defined data types. Okay, so wherever we have the user defined data types, we have to tell the compiler how to handle the conversions. Okay, compiler does not know anything about user defined data types besides what we will tell it. Okay, so we have to tell it, the compiler, that how to deal with the conversions which involve a user defined data type. So the solution for conversions between objects and basic types and between user defined objects, the solution is that we must write the routines, conversion routines ourselves. Okay, so basically there are two kinds of conversion routines. Conversion constructors are there and conversion operators are there. Okay, so conversion constructors, they are used for conversions from basic types to objects. Okay, like this is a basic type and we want to convert it into an object. For this we will use a conversion constructor. And for conversions from objects to basic types, suppose we want to convert this object distance 3 to a basic type, then we will use the conversion operator. Okay, so we will see what are conversion constructors and what are conversion operators and how to convert from basic types to objects and from objects to basic types using an example.